Many of you may remember when I was building the Caprahenia 2, you may not, I discussed changing the lengths of these wires and the reservations I had about it. Well, Pavel Pahowski, hope I didn't butcher that too badly, verified today my suspicions. This is an AC motor, 3-phase AC. The power coming into an ESC is DC. It's converted to AC and output as AC to these motors. 3-phase AC. And it's the phase that causes the rotation, everything. How those three things, the phases affect each other. So changing the length of these wires, looks to me still, can cause problems. Now, granted, if you change them perfectly, you can see this one wire right here is just a little longer than the others. I think I did cut these in order to put the barrel connectors on them and put them on the, these are from the flame wheel. But let me show you on the screen, well, what settled this thing for me today.
And here's the posting he made this morning, 7 hours ago. The motors we use in our airplanes and drones are AC or DC. Well, I pretty much knew they were AC. And he says in the post here, motors are 3-phase AC synchronous motors. On the addition of an ESC makes the whole setup DC. I don't think the whole setup is DC because still the motors are AC. So the motors plus the ESC is called a BLDC brushless direct current motor. But it is true that they're AC. So if you cut those wires and get the wire from the ESC to the motor length on one of them, two of them, changed too much, you can mess up the phasing, which is what I was suspicious of months ago. That's why I didn't want to do anything with them on the Caprahenia 2. This is just one of the things, like compasses on our plane, that are in the back burner for me that I will find an answer to someday. So again, as I suspected, the motors themselves are AC synchronous motors. So the signal wires from the ESC to the motor, the length of them is important. Now, I don't know if an inch longer on one of them causes great problems or not, or if it would need to be 2 feet or more difference on one of the wires to cause a problem or not. So I don't touch them, and that's the point. All right, guys, thank you.